According to the Webster Dictionary, fundamentalist was first used to describe a group of American Protestant Christians. The Christian church believed that the Bible was the Word of God. These American Protestant Christians, they not only believed that the Bible was the Word of God, but they believed every word, every letter of the Bible is the Word of God. According to the Oxford Dictionary, fundamentalist is a person who strictly adheres to the ancient doctrine of any religion. And in the revised edition of the Oxford Dictionary, fundamentalist is a person who strictly adheres to the ancient doctrine of any religion, especially Islam. This word, especially Islam, has been added in the revised edition of the Oxford Dictionary. The moment you hear the word fundamentalist, you start thinking of a Muslim, you start thinking of an extremist. And the Muslims, they are apologetic. No, I'm not an extremist. I tell the people, I am an extremist. I'm extremely kind. I'm extremely loving. I'm extremely just. I'm extremely honest. I'm extremely kind. What's wrong in being an extremist? Why are we apologetic? But we should be an extremist in the right direction.